everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm here to do a makeup video using products from Persia Luxury Lashes. They've sent me these beautiful lashes from their collection along with their 2-in-1 glue liner. This acts as a liner as well as a glue. So you'd apply this like you normally apply your eyeliner, and then use the liner as your guideline to set the lashes. I've never used this before, so I'm really excited to try them on. And I have also received this beautiful lip shade from their collection. So today's makeup video is going to be a simple look using these products. I really hope you guys like it.